besties, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great, and I know you guys must be wondering why am I all dolled up in an Indian outfit. So let me tell you all, today we as in my family and me are visiting our home goddess Renuka Devi's temple at Savadatti. It's like a 2 hours drive from Belgaum and it is about 10 and we'll reach by 12. I'll be filming the entire thing and I'll keep you guys updated.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're in the car right now and we left some time back, and here I have with me my crazy family who I will introduce right away. My daddy, say hi.
Hi.
And my mommy, my daddy cool. Say hello.
Hi baby.
Where are we going, guys?
We're going to
Savadatti
Renuka Temple, Savadatti.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, we are.
So I'll film when we reach the temple. Renuka, also referred to as Renuka and Renumata, is a Hindu goddess worshipped predominantly in Karnataka, Maharashtra and southern Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Ancient Renuka Mata or Yellamma Devi at Savadatti is one among the prominent Shakti Pitas in Karnataka. Mahur Renuka's temple at Mahur in Maharashtra is one of the Shakti Pitas too. The legends of Renuka are contained in the Mahabharata, the Harivamsha and in the Bhagavata Purana. Renuka Devi got married to Jamadagni Muni. They both lived in the Ramshang mountains near the present-day Savadatti area of Belgaum District. Renuka Devi helped Jamadagni Muni in all his tasks of performing various rituals and puja. Her devotees revered her as the mother of the universe or Jagadamba. Renuka Devi used to wake up early in the morning to bathe in the Malaprabha river with complete concentration and devotion. The Malaprabha river is also located at Savadatti. Her devotion was so powerful that she was able to create a pot to hold water made only of sand, one fresh pot every day. She would fill the pot on the bank of the river and she brought the water to Jamadagni for his rituals of oblation. Malaprabha creates this reservoir known as Renuka Sagar. This is the main source of drinking water of Dharwad and also irrigates agricultural fields in Belgaum district. Hey guys, we finished with our darshan and we are having our lunch. It's around 2:40. After our lunch, we'll just relax for some time and we'll leave to home, and then I'll film when I'll reach home. basically just got back home and I am low-key exhausted. You guys can see that on my face. Also, I'm gonna close off the video already because there is nothing else to film. I'm basically gonna eat and do my nighttime skincare routine, which I've already made a video on. If you guys wanna see it, it'll be in the I button. Yeah, if you like today's video, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.